Google has built two organization tools into Chrome to help you with tabs. The first one is very simple. It's called pinning. And basically, you want to take your most used tabs and pin them. So here you can see I have my inbox, my calendar, and Aspen. And I use those very frequently, so I'm going to pin them just by hovering over the tab, two-finger touch or right-click, and then you can see the pin option. And when I click pin, two things happen. One is the tab jumps way to the left, and the other that you may notice is you can no longer see any text next to the tab icon. That means you really can only do this if you have a recognizable icon. So Gmail is very recognizable. I'm going to two-finger touch and pin calendar, which again has a very obvious icon there. And then finally Aspen, which is also recognizable. So those three are now always going to stay here on the left. I can change the order if I would like to, but those three will always be here. The other organization tool that Chrome offers is called grouping. And so you can click, again, two-finger tap or right-click on a tab, choose Add Tab to Group, and you can create a new group, or if you already have a group open, you can add it there. I'm going to do a new group, and I'm going to call this one GC for Google Classroom. And you can, of course, change the color. And you see you have a few other options for what you can do with once you have a group started. So there's my GC Google Classroom group, and that tab that I clicked on is already in it. To add the rest of my Google Classroom tabs, I just click and drag them over, and you can see they fall into this sort of red outline. And once inside there, you can see I can move them around if they're in the wrong order. The real benefit here is that if I click on this group name, it will condense all those tabs and hide them, which gives me more space for my other tabs, which you'll see in a second will expand across the rest of this bar. So now I've just gotten back again, I've gotten back more space across my tabs, and then when I'm ready to use Google Classroom again, I click on the group, it expands all the tabs, and I can click, 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 and then when I'm finished, I can hide them again. Those are the two tools for organizing your tabs. Good luck.